Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to fix your Instagram is not opening problem. So let's begin our video. So first you need to open your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you need to go search bar and type for in Instagram. Just type Instagram and then open it. And now you need to check out your Instagram is updated or not. There you can see my Instagram is not updated, so you need to update it at first. Make sure your Instagram is updated. So then you need to move for second step. Second step is you need to go your phone settings. I just open my phone settings, and now you need to find out apps or apps management option. So there you can see there have a apps option. Just open it and then go to manage apps. Go to search bar and type Instagram. Open it, and now on the bottom you can see option clear data. Select it and then select clear cache, then select OK. That's it. Now you can open your Instagram and your Instagram is not opening problem already solved. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.